From time to time, homeowners will ask you what is included in a roof install or something to that effect. This is an opportunity to display your confidence and quality in the materials that we use here at Stay Dry Roofing. This is another statement that you should memorize and practice so that it comes off clean, professional, and polished every time a homeowner asks you this question. When we do a roof, we're going to do a tear off down to the decking. We're going to go back on with synthetic underlayment, ice and water in the valleys, and a 30-year architectural shingle. We're going to put drip edge on the rakes and gutter apron on the eaves. Now let's talk about what these products are. Synthetic underlayment is what we use in place of traditional 15 and 30-pound felt. It's more expensive than felt, and this is an upgrade for the homeowner that we include for free. If we were to nail down synthetic underlayment and then walk away from the house, it would be waterproof for 90 days without any shingles covering the underlayment. Ice and water is a non-porous membrane that we use in areas that are likely to leak. We always put it in the valleys. Additionally, we usually use ice and water anywhere there is an opportunity for a leak, such as where shingles meet a wall or pipe coming out of the roof. You can explain to a homeowner that this is overkill because we know that as much as they may like you, they don't want you coming back after we install the roof. Drip edge is a 3/4 inch piece of metal that runs along the fascia boards underneath the shingles of the gables. This metal protects the fascia board by wicking water away from the board and protecting it from rot. Gutter apron is just like drip edge except that it runs behind the gutters. If you're doing a color confirmation on a home that has no gables, you still need a drip edge color so that we know what color to use for gutter apron. Most homeowners want their drip edge to match their trim. You should have a color swatch of all the different colors that drip edge comes in. So homeowners will also ask you what trades we can do. We are a fully licensed general contractor and we can do all trades except for electric. Typically our bread and butter are trades that are typically involved in storm damage. Roofing, gutters, gutter guards, siding, interior and exterior paint, AC combs, screens, drywall repair, garage doors, pretty much anything that is typically destroyed by a storm. We're going to do any work that is properly paid for by the homeowner's adjuster. Make sure your homeowner understands that it is ultimately the adjuster's decision as to what items get paid for. You can't guarantee a homeowner that an adjuster is going to pay for any particular item. Now roofs are fairly standard and the pricing is pretty simple. Most of the time we get enough money to do the roof profitably. However, adjusters will occasionally underpay for accessories such as paint, screens, or drywall repairs. When this happens, the homeowner will have several options. First, they can simply keep the money and not do the work. Second, they can find someone else who's willing to do it for the price that the adjuster is paying. Or third, they can take our estimate and demand that their adjuster pay the correct amount so that we can get the work done. We're usually going to reach out to the adjuster and ask that they pay the right amount in these situations. However, insurance companies are more responsive to their customers than they are to a third-party contractor, so it's very helpful if the homeowner reaches out and demands the right amount of money for the job.